Ever wonder how I managed to generate this much capital? It is all down to the power of Memecoins, and I am going to walk you through the exact strategy. Watch as I transform this stone meme into a legitimate crypto project. Starting with a completely empty wallet, I'll lead you through the full process of launching a Memecoin and securing fast returns. If you are like me, you have likely spent far more time buying into meme coins than building them. I used to burn money on low-quality tokens constantly until I discovered the method the professionals use: launching your own assets. This approach allows you to double your initial investment or go even higher. Why most platforms fail. While many people immediately think of Pump.Fun for launches, that is actually a major red flag. If you check their dashboard, the reality is chaotic. New tokens appear every few seconds, yet the trading volume is nearly non-existent. It simply isn't worth the effort. The real solution is launching directly on Raydium. This DEX faces significantly less saturation, and the frequency of new launches is much lower. Because launching here typically requires technical coding skills, the projects tend to be more substantial, reaching higher market caps and better liquidity. Furthermore, thousands of active investors monitor this platform specifically. So, how do you launch on Raydium if you aren't a developer? I found a site called Pump.Fun, and it is a total game changer. It enables you to deploy your token directly to Raydium without writing a single line of code. You can move from idea to live token in a few clicks rather than struggling with programming languages. Let me show you how to launch a memecoin step by step. To start, connect your wallet and authorize the necessary permissions. Simply enter your token's core details. I'll name mine Stonks with the same ticker symbol. Upload your logo and proceed. Second step is tokenomics. This part handles the economic structure. The values are already optimized, so I suggest leaving them as they are. Keep that 1 billion total supply in mind for later, then continue. Third step is optional details. You can add a creator profile or website, but honestly, I always skip this step. Similarly, you can skip adding social media links. Since we are launching on Raydium, the natural visibility of the platform often provides all the initial marketing you need. And now is the most important step, which is security settings. The revoke authority toggles are vital. Keep them enabled. If you turn off Revoke Freeze, you retain the power to stop trading. And if you disable Revoke Mint, you could create infinite coins. Investors check these. They won't touch your coin if these aren't locked. Click Create Token and approve the transaction in your wallet. Success. Your coin is now officially on the network. You can verify it immediately on SolScan. After we check SolScan and see that everything nice and clean, we can proceed to last step. Head back to Pump.Fun and select Create Liquidity Pool, which will direct you to Manage Liquidity tab. Check if your wallet connected. After, we need to select our token from the top field. Wait for a couple seconds if it's not updating. Now we need to fill amount token A. Out of your 1 billion supply, add 900 million to the pool, the industry standard. So let's just press 90% button. For the amount token B, which is Solana, since you are the initial provider, you essentially set the starting floor, so I always press max, because you can't lose funds that you put in liquidity. They are safe and secure. After we fill out every field, now we can press Create Pool button and track our token chart. To track token chart, let's just press View on Raydium button, and it will redirect us to our token chart. Now, you monitor the growth. Early activity is often bots, but real volume follows quickly. So let's give a token a couple minutes and open Raydium. Go to Raydium's portfolio page, click on Standard and refresh it until you can see your position down here. Here, you can see that we got our first big buy, $290, a little more than 2 Solana. That's crazy. We're getting good volume. So let's keep waiting. Just a couple minutes later, and we got $120 more. We're doing good. It's almost 1 Solana more for the pool. Just take a look at this massive growth the coin had. It got to a market cap of $2,000 and the liquidity keeps growing. Take a look at, oh, look at that. We got another one for almost $140. That's the potential we have. We're exposed to thousands of buyers, and all it takes is a funny meme to make them invest in our coin. Just look at that massive growth. Almost 700% from where it started. It's insane. As you can see, tons of people are selling. Maybe I should have gotten out a while ago, but still the growth is absolutely massive. Here we got another one going for $80, so I think this is it. Let's go and take our money. Now, here is exactly what we need to accomplish. Head over to the portfolio section on Raydium. Ensure that your wallet is properly linked and then select the Standard tab. You will notice your current position right here. Simply click on the minus icon. At this point, adjust the slider all the way to 100%, and you will see the total amount of liquidity available for you to withdraw. Just hit the Remove Liquidity button and authorize the transaction in your wallet. I must remind everyone watching that this demonstration is strictly for educational purposes. And now, for my favorite part of the entire process. Open your Phantom wallet and take a moment to appreciate this hard-earned profit. I just tripled my initial investment in a span of only a few minutes. You should realize that you can execute this strategy repeatedly until you are satisfied with the results. Just ensure you are developing coins centered around topics that are incredibly hot and trending right now. To be clear, I want to emphasize that I have no official association with Raydium, Pump.Fun, or Photon. All of this content is intended for purely educational reasons. That being said, if your goal is to essentially print money, this is the path to take. Do not let this opportunity pass you by, because there is no telling how much longer this window will remain open.